Hi friends, come on, let us start our day with wonderful affirmation. Before that, we should know what is affirmation. Affirmation is an understanding about truth. It is wonderful emotional support to achieve a dream or goal. Daily affirmation are to the mind what exercise is to the body. Affirmations are reminders to our conscious mind to stay focused on your goals and to come up with solutions to challenges and obstacles that might get in the way. They can also create higher vibrations for happiness, joy, appreciation, and gratitude that then, through the law of attraction, magnetize people, resources, and the opportunities to come to you to help you to achieve your goals. We are always using affirmations unknowingly, not in proper way, but it should be done according to the principles and practice it with full awareness of its inner purpose to achieve your goal. Daily affirmations are simple, positive statements declaring specific goals in their completed states. Although they sound rather basic at that level, these empowering mantras have a profound effects on the conscious and subconscious mind. Chanting is half the battle. Repeating affirmations helps to reprogram the unconscious mind for success. It helps to eliminate negative and limiting beliefs and transforms your comfort zone from a limited one, keeping you trapped in mediocrity, to a more expanded one where anything is possible. It helps to replace your I cons with I cans and your fears, doubts with confidence and certainty. The daily use of positive affirmations interrupts and eventually totally replaces their barrage of negative thoughts and beliefs. To achieve this, you must continually flood your subconscious with thoughts and images of new reality you wish to create. What are the principles to be followed while making the affirmations to get the success in your field? Start the affirmation with the word I am. These are the two most powerful words in English. Use the present tense. State it in the positive. Affirm what you want, not what you don't want. Keep it in brief. Make it specific. Include an action word ending with ing. Include at least one dynamic emotion or a feeling word. Make affirmations for yourself, not others. Then write down the time of the day that you will commit to practicing your affirmations. Direct your affirmation more inward with highly upward energy. Okay, it's alright. When should we do affirmations? The powerful affirmations we make will be absorbed by our subconscious mind even while we sleep. Should repeat in our mind or said out louder when you wake up in the morning before go to sleep, that is when our subconscious mind is naturally opened. Midday when you need a pick me up, or maybe after our daily meditation when our subconscious mind is primed. For example, if I am obese, I am making an affirmation that is, I am slender and strong. Being thin feels amazing. I am excited about my perfect weight. I am perfectly healthy. I create a body that I like and enjoy. I deserve to be slim and fit. I am extremely confident in myself. Fitness is a passion I enjoy. I happily exercise each day. I can see myself at my ideal weight. I have a vibrant health. So, we only have a control over three things in our life: the thoughts we think, the image we visualize, the action we take. By using these three controls, we can communicate with the universe through daily affirmations to make our life happy and successful and joyous. Thank you and blessings from Jnana. Bye bye.